Join me as I try this simple nighttime seed trick to see if I can actually improve my vision naturally. Let's find out if it really works. Did you know that an estimated 2.2 billion people globally have a near or distance vision impairment? That's a staggering number. For many of them, their condition could have been prevented or has yet to be addressed. As we get older, these numbers climb even higher. It's a silent health crisis that affects our quality of life, our independence, and our ability to enjoy the world around us. We often accept fading vision as an inevitable part of aging, something we just have to manage with stronger and stronger glasses. But what if I told you that you might hold the power to support your eye health in your own hands? I've always believed in the body's incredible ability to heal and support itself when given the right tools. We see it with our hearts, we see it with our joints, we see it with our immune systems. So the big question is, can you really improve your eyesight naturally? Can simple daily habits make a noticeable difference in how clearly you see the world? The modern medical world offers incredible solutions like glasses, contacts, surgeries. These are essential tools, of course. But we shouldn't overlook the power of nature. What if a solution was hiding in plain sight? Something as simple as a single seed you use at night. In today's world, our eyes are under constant assault. From the moment we wake up and check our phones to the hours we spend in front of computers at work, and then unwinding with a tablet or television at night, we are bathed in artificial blue light. This constant digital exposure leads to what experts call digital eye strain. You know the feeling: dry, irritated eyes, blurred vision, headaches, neck pain. It has become a modern-day epidemic, affecting people of all ages. Children, seniors. Our eyes simply weren't designed for this level of intense close-up work for hours on end. This relentless strain is a huge reason why so many of us are desperately seeking natural remedies. We're growing tired of just treating the symptoms with eye drops or constantly updating our prescriptions. People are asking, what can I do to protect my eyes from the inside out? There is a powerful movement toward holistic health, a desire to understand the root causes of our ailments: nutrition, lifestyle changes, natural supplements. We want solutions that work with our bodies, not just on them. The appeal of a natural approach is its simplicity and accessibility. The nighttime seed trick fits perfectly into this philosophy. So, what is this miracle seed I've been talking about? It's the humble fennel seed. That's right, the same small aromatic seed often used in cooking, used as a digestive aid. It has a long history in traditional medicine as a powerful tonic for the eyes. Ancient Romans, including the warrior Pliny, believed that snakes ate fennel to restore their sight after hibernation, which is how it earned a reputation as an herb for sight. While we may not be snakes, the wisdom of the ancients often points us toward natural truths. Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for our eyes. First, they are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C. Antioxidants are your body's personal security guards. They help fight off unstable molecules called free radicals. In the eyes, free radicals can contribute to the degeneration of tissues and are linked to the development of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. By neutralizing these damaging molecules, the antioxidants in fennel seeds may help protect the delicate cells in your eyes, keeping your vision clearer for longer. They have a nutrient called anethole, which gives fennel its distinct licorice-like flavor. Studies suggest that anethole has anti-inflammatory properties. Since eye strain and other conditions can cause inflammation, this compound may help soothe tired, overworked eyes. Furthermore, fennel has been used traditionally as a way to reduce eye pressure, which is a major concern for people at risk for glaucoma. Section 4. Your Nightly Ritual for Clearer Sight, a step-by-step guide. Now let's get to the practical part. How exactly do you use this nighttime seed trick? I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process. The goal is to make a potent fennel seed infusion that you can use to soothe and refresh your eyes before you go to sleep. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You will need 1 tablespoon of whole fennel seeds and 1 cup of purified or distilled water. It's important to use high-quality, organic fennel seeds if possible to ensure they are free from pesticides. Start by bringing the cup of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once it's boiling, add the tablespoon of fennel seeds to the water. Immediately turn off the heat, cover the saucepan with a lid, and let the seeds steep in the hot water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This steeping process is crucial for extracting all the beneficial compounds. After the mixture has steeped and cooled down to a lukewarm, comfortable temperature, you need to strain it. Use a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth to pour the liquid into a clean bowl. making sure to separate all the seeds from the water. You should be left with a clear, fragrant fennel infusion. Now, take 2 clean, soft cotton pads, the kind you might use for removing makeup. Dip, squeeze out excess, and place gently over your closed eyelids. Section 5. A new outlook. Small habits for big changes in vision. Taking care of your eyes is a marathon, not a sprint. The idea that natural methods can support our vision is powerful. The nighttime fennel seed trick is a small, manageable habit you can incorporate into your life. Add a balanced diet, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, stay hydrated, wear sunglasses, practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Combine these habits to build a powerful defense for your precious eyesight. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any natural remedies for your vision? Have you noticed changes from diet or lifestyle? Share in the comments. Your journey can inspire someone else. Check out our related video on eye health strategies to keep your eyes sparkling and healthy. Let's see the world more clearly. Your best vision is yet to come.